Namaste. Welcome to Rohan Abhilasha 4. Adding to the Rohan Abhilasha community, after Abhilasha 1, 2 and 3 comes Rohan Abhilasha 4. Aligned with the same core principles, yet designed to take lifestyle a step further. Today, I'm Snehal and I'm going to take you on a tour of the thoughtfully designed 3 BHK home here. With a focus on perfect ventilation, lively light, utmost privacy and smart space utilization, this Plus home will elevate your living experience. Come, let's take a tour. As soon as you enter, you step into the spacious foyer. This foyer is designed for your utmost privacy. Anybody at the door, an outsider or the delivery personnel, wouldn't get a direct view into your private space. The allocated space here for a storage unit is perfect to store away extra shoes, clothes, umbrellas or your daily essentials. कहते हैं the first impression is the best impression. And I personally like the fact that you can customize this foyer as you like. Maybe a piece of art, a house plant or a wallpaper. By setting the tone for your home, you can make the space as welcoming as you like. We now enter the most public space of the home, which is the entertainment space. This space is designed on an open concept seamless design, which houses both the dining area and the TV viewing area. Since it promotes interaction and easy, comfortable movement, I feel this is perfect for family gatherings and when you're hosting a lot of guests. एक शानदार feature which I personally like is the dual slit windows instead of one single large window. This design ensures that light evenly spreads in the house, the glare is reduced, and a comfortable well-lit ambience is created throughout the day. The low sill height ensures you have ample ventilation and light while ensuring your privacy. The three-side open design takes you outside and maximizes your view, ensuring you're always connected to nature and giving a feeling of spaciousness to your house. The balcony and the window openings are strategically placed opposite to each other. This ensures there's optimal cross ventilation and your house feels airy and fresh throughout the day. A wonderful feature you will notice is the niche which is created by the precast wall between the two window openings. This niche is a great place. It's a strategic design feature that can be used to have a small storage unit, a library, or even a piece of art. Also, the niche gives a very unique character to the facade, and this makes Rohan Abhilasha's design stand out as always. A standout feature is that all the long walls of the house are built using the tunnel formwork, ensuring that they are sturdy, ageless, and also neat and clean. These neat walls provide a great palette for personalization. आप यहाँ पे आपका favorite wallpaper, art decor या आपका family portrait भी लगा सकते हैं. They're not just sturdy and ageless, but also open to customization as you like. A combined living and dining layout makes the furniture arrangement very easy. If you're hosting some extra guests, just pull a few chairs without feeling cramped and the space will accommodate it too. The dining table is very strategically located. It is so close to the kitchen that serving hot food is easy and quick. And also, अगर आप TV देखना चाहते हो when you are enjoying your meals, it's a perfect location to sit and enjoy your lunch or dinner. It also offers a lot of lifestyle benefits. Grandparents, while sorting vegetables, or kids, when standing on the table, can stay easily connected to the kitchen. This open design gives you a seamless and comfortable interaction. Right next to the dining space and the entertainment space is the kitchen, which is designed for efficiency and ease of use. The L-shaped platform is spacious and comfortably will accommodate two people to work simultaneously. A very notable feature is the dedicated niche for the refrigerator. इससे ये होगा कि आपके daily movement बिल्कुल obstruct नहीं होगी. इस niche के बगल में है एक additional space for storage. A tall vertical storage can be accommodated here, जो आप आपके daily essentials के लिए use कर सकते हैं. I personally like that the kitchen has provision for ample overhead storage. इससे आपके daily essentials हमेशा आपकी reach में रहेंगे. If you're someone like me who likes a little seclusion when cooking, you can add an optional partition here. Also, it is visually connected to the entertainment space while being subtly tucked away. आप देख सकते हो the kitchen is so well lit because the light flows in here from the entertainment space and also the utility area. Let's check out the utility space. I personally feel that the utility area is very conveniently located. इस strategic location के कारण kitchen के activities तो complement होंगे ही, लेकिन your kitchen will also be mess free since the utility area is slightly tucked away. Also, the glass door to the kitchen ensures that the light from the utility area streams into your kitchen, keeping it fresh, well lit and airy. The utility area is designed to suit your lifestyle. अगर आप प्रेफर करते हैं वॉशिंग मशीन या आप चाहते हैं आपका क्लोथ्स और यूटेंसिल्स हैंड वॉश करना, both the facilities are easily available in your utility area. The utility area is also very well ventilated. इसका मतलब ये है आप आराम से आपके कपड़े वहाँ सुखा सकते हैं, ensuring that your main balcony is always clutter-free and mess-free. Entering the master bedroom, you'll definitely appreciate its spacious and functional layout. The rectangular shape makes it available for easy furniture placement and also comfortable movement around the room. There is ample space after placing in the wardrobe and the dresser, ensuring all your storage needs are met without being cluttered. The TV can be placed on the wall perpendicular to the opening. इससे आपके TV viewing experience में बिल्कुल कोई issue नहीं होगा and there will be minimum glare. You will enjoy your experience watching the TV right from your bed. The balcony is easily accessible from the master bedroom and the entertainment space. This ensures you have your outdoor retreat right outside your bedroom. The centrally placed window ensures this comfortable place for curtain gathering. And yes, also, a niche is created near the balcony opening. You can add an additional cupboard or a small storage unit here. आप notice करेंगे that the bed back is an offset-free wall. All the long walls in this house are tunnel formwork, which means it gives them a sturdy, neat and clean look and also ensures they are available for customization. आप यहाँ add कर सकते हैं आपका favorite portrait, a design piece or maybe a frame. This bedroom is designed to suit your lifestyle and your loved ones. The entry to the bedroom and the washroom is very strategically located. This ensures there is ease of movement, but also there is smart space utilization. In the washroom, the dry and wet areas are segregated by a tile drop. इससे ये होता है कि आप हमेशा washroom enter करते हो through the dry area first. Also, the premium quality finishes ensure your washroom has a timeless and classic look always. The false ceiling conceals the underslung piping. इससे the washroom looks clean and neat. A window in the washroom is a great addition. It ensures your washroom stays well ventilated and airy. Natural light हमेशा washroom में आती रहेगी and the washroom will not gather a lot of moisture. It will stay fresh and airy. Accessible from both the master bedroom and the entertainment space, this balcony is a perfect outdoor retreat. After a long day of work, imagine sipping your favorite Adrak Valley chai in this balcony, which is so well lit and airy. The glass railing ensures you're visually connected to nature and the outside while also keeping the dust away. It is your private retreat away from the prying eyes. The balcony is designed to be an extension of your entertainment space, especially when you're having a party or hosting a lot of guests. The brick-like external facades give the balcony and the building as a whole a very unique character and helps it look so aesthetic. Also, the side walls are grey. These fin walls have an interesting play of textures, which is a mix of concrete and brick-like textures. This gives the character to the whole building and the architectural uniqueness that makes Rohan Abhilasha stand out. The natural colors and tones used in the facade age gracefully, giving the building a timeless, elegant look. Now we step into the other bedroom. This can be customized as per your needs, and I feel it is perfect for guests since it comes with an attached washroom and is located slightly tucked away yet not too far away. The centrally placed window brings in a lot of natural light and ventilation. मुझे इस bedroom की सबसे अच्छी बात ये लगी है that it is most private in terms that it is nicely tucked away, giving you a space of your own. If only it came with an attached balcony. And yes, that's possible because according to the floor plan, the balcony will come attached to one of the master bedrooms. You could choose according to your lifestyle and liking. एक बहुत striking feature है that the entrance to the washroom is very distinctly located. इससे ये होता है कि आपकी wardrobe space in the room is not at all compromised and there is space for a large wardrobe. Also, you notice there's an additional space here which can be used for a storage if you like. The washroom has segregated dry and wet areas by a tile drop. इसलिए you'll always step into the dry area first. The false ceiling conceals the underslung piping, giving the washroom a very clean and neat look. The natural tone quality finishes are very premium and they give it an elegant and ageless look. A multi-utility space, this room can be customized as you like. Use it as a children's room, a study, a home office, or maybe a studio. The centrally placed window brings in so much light that it keeps the space so well lit and fresh. It enhances the usability of this space. The common washroom is just steps away, and hence it also adds to the ease of use. So let's step out and check the common washroom. The common washroom and wash basin are strategically located. This thoughtful location makes them so easily accessible to the guests who are dining in your dining space. Also, since the wash basin is outside, multiple activities in the morning can be simultaneously done, especially if you're running late and there you have a lot of tasks to be completed. The washroom is so well lit and naturally ventilated that it is always fresh. The neutral palette finishes gives it an ageless and timeless look. The area I'm in is called the circulation spine of the house. This ensures easy access to all the key sections of the home. It is designed for maximum movement efficiency and ease of use. The select civil finishes and neutral palette indeed makes this home so ageless and timeless. The private and public areas are well segregated and it gives the lifestyle that you desire. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this 3 BHK home as much as I did. Designed on the Plus principles, this home is perfect to give a lifestyle to your loved ones which is elevated, functional and highly efficient. So if you're looking for a home जो आपके घर वालों के लिए perfect होगा in terms of comfort, convenience, connectivity, please come to Rohan Abhilasha today. Welcome to Rohan Abhilasha 4.